Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about all the basics of Excel. We will start by creating this invoice. You will create this invoice as shown here. We will also fit this document for printing. We will print this invoice for our multiple customers. Let's make this invoice template. Here we have Excel. Let's first set our column width. We will take a lot of columns here, maybe around 20 columns. Start with the company name. After that we will write address of the company, the phone number. As you can see that it has changed the phone number into numbers, so we have to write this apostrophe at the beginning and remove the equal sign. This method allows to write anything exactly as we want. Now we have two phone numbers here. Now let's write bill to, the company name, street address, city, state and zip, phone number, email. Let's select company name and click on merge and center. And tap F4 key. F4 key repeats the last action. Let's change borders line color. Select this color. Press escape key. And then select all borders. Now here it is. Let's change color to some dark color. Press Ctrl S to save the document or go to the file and then save. And on browse button, select the drive or the folder where you want to save this file. Name this file and click the save button. Now we have saved the file. Let's merge few cells for company name, company address, city, phone number and email. Same we will write to ship to address. So copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste. In the same way, select this, press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V to paste. Now here we have build to and ship to. Let's select few cells here and then merge in center and write invoice, and then increase the font size, select a font, and the ship to address. Press Ctrl Z to remove the link from the email address. Let's select this and then click this increase indent. It's looking very good. Let's write some headings for our invoice: quantity, description, unit price, and the total. Let's merge these cells. Please remember F4, always repeat the last action. Let's first decide the invoice area. Select the area and then select a thick border, and let's suppose the area of our invoice is this. Let's format these headings. Let's change row height. Let's change this to 30 pixels. Let's change line color. Let's apply some formula: quantity multiplied by unit price. So here is the total. Let's drag this to all of the cells, and it pasted the formula. Let's insert few lines here. Right click the row and insert row. Let's use some formula here to total. Let's change format of these cells. Choose accounting. Change symbol to none and then OK. It has removed decimals. Select all of the cells and click this option. Now we have two decimal. Let's change this to percentage. Now it's in percentage. So 0.15 for 15%. The discount total formula. So the total multiplied by this percentage. Here is the discount. And we will subtract this. So the minus sign. And the payable amount. And a thank you note. We have completed our invoice. Let's select this option, page layout, print area, and set the print area. Let's go and view the print layout of the invoice. Here is our invoice preview, the print preview. Choose narrow margins, then page setup, and go to the margins and then select horizontal center. And then press OK. Now it is not printing full invoice. You can also change margins from here. Now our invoice is ready to print. So this is your first invoice. that you created, and you learn about the formatting, borders, and related to formatting the document. So these are your assignments. Please try to create these invoices. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.